into account, yes, as I say. The Constitution contemplates an all-encompassing policy which sets the framework for the operations of the policy for the police. Once determined, the police must operate within the contours of such a framework. So Minister is given a role, there's no doubt about that. It's given a role. It's not something that I crafted myself. You are given by the Constitution to say when the National Commissioner exercising control and management, it must be within the contours of your determinations and of your directives. Which directives must be there and must be given? Not when they are not given, when they are given. So I did that. And I believe I'm here to learn how would I have given these directives outside the Constitution, as some people believe. So the Constitution and the SAPS Act envisage that the policy and directions will be enforceable. Hence, the Civilian Secretariat to evaluate and monitor implementation. That's why the statute therefore assigns the institution of the special function to monitor their implementation, which is an institution, the Secretariat. Now, the nature of the direction that minister may issue to the National Commissioner is not specified. It doesn't have color. It doesn't say it's only this direction that you will give. It is red, or it's green, or it is gold. It's not. It says you will give directives. And I wrote directives, and I gave them. It's not specified in the Constitution. However, regard must be had to the language of Section 207 and 2, I acknowledge that, which imposes a limitation in the exercise of that constitutional imperative. So in other words, you can't just give any directive. It must be as the Constitution says. The provisions empower the National Commission, because these provisions, 207(1) and 2, empower the National Commissioner to manage and control the service. There's clearly an operational power over service.